Hello out there, how you doing? Welcome to your chair fitness class with Latin rhythms. We are going to be using our dumbbells today, so grab some weights, grab tin cans, 2 bottles of water, something heavy. Okay, so I'm going to grab my weights now. Here comes the music. I'm sitting up nice and tall in my chair. Hands right at my side. Ready? I'm going to go out and in. Out and in. I'm going to go to 8. That's 2. Here we go. That's 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Last one. Remember, we go double after 8. Here we go. It's going to 6 only. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Perfect. Just one at a time. Going out to the side. You can look at your arm if you want. Remember, we're going to 8. That's 2 so far. That's 4. That's 5. Oh, excuse me. 6. So bad. 7. That's 8. Here we go. We're going to go up now. Good. It's so hard to resist rolling my shoulders with this music. But that's 4. 5. 6. Oh, we gotta go on double for 8. So remember, it's up and forward, never straight up. Ready? Hopefully, up and forward. That's it. That's 2. 3. 4. Ooh, getting arms. 5. They're getting heavy. 6. Beautiful. Drop them down. Lean. Try to reach those car keys and then lift them up. Good. Drop to the other side. Reach and lift. Good. Drop. Lift. Drop. Lift. Good. Drop. Lift. Drop. Don't go too far that you can't lift yourself up. Good. Here we go. Keep going. Woo. Perfect. That should be 5. Remember, single, we go to 8. 6. 7. Good, that's 8. You're going to lean forward just a little bit because we're going to do our 6 doubles. Down and up. Down and up. Down and up. Down and up. Perfect. This is our last one. So we're going to hold it here. Get that shoulders back. Lift the chest up. Lift those groceries. Up. 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 That's 4. 5. 6. Hold them up and just one at a time. Going to 8. That's 2. 3. 4. Ready for double? Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. 4, 5, oh, last one, 6. Beautiful. Drop it down. Back and in. Back and in. Back and in. So we're just extending it backwards, bending it and bringing it forward. Okay, we got 4 more, I believe. We might count that off. 3 more. 2 more. Here's our last one before we double. Ready? Lean forward. Roll back and in. Back and in. Feel those triceps. Ooh. 4, 5, 6. Bring it back. Lift yourself up. Bring those legs in. Forward. 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 That's it. Keep going. Don't worry about the music. That's 4, by the way. 5, 6, 7. This is our last one. We get to double up. Hold it here. Lean forward, down, bring and up. Lean forward, down, here and up. Forward, down, here and up. Forward, down, up. Sit tight, down. That's perfect. Here comes 5. Here's the last one. And just come and hold it here and just bring the arms up and down. 4, 5, 6. Come back up. Drop. In. Drop. In. Drop. In. Drop. In. That's good. Here comes 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Here comes the last one and up. 2, then up. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Perfect. Let's open up those legs. Just drop those weights. Ooh, how was that nice 9-minute workout, 10 minutes? Let's drop the arms up and roll the shoulders. Roll them back. Wow. Hope your arms feel great. Hope you're feeling nice and strong, nice and tall. Till the next time I give you another 10-minute tip. Hope to see you soon, guys. Roll forward. Okay, take a deep breath in. Lift those arms up. Stretch it out.